There's just something about that feeling.
You gotta save money to have money. That's right, time and money, we're saving both.
Of being 30,000 feet up.
I support that decision emotionally, not financially.
That makes you feel like anything is possible.
Confirming 10 tickets to the Super Bowl. We're rolling deep.
When are we landing?
Boss, we landed an hour ago. You're free to deboard whenever.
For years, I made accounting seem like a joke.
Everything litty, I love when it's hot.
But now I'm the face of a multi-billion-dollar company. That's pretty sweet.
Ryan?
Which one? I'm just messing with you. Come on, boys. We got a party with our name on it.
I'm the boss man in a suit with no tie. I can't be sober, I got...